In this video, I'm going to share 2 simple ways to tweak your classroom layout for better on-task behaviour. And these are based on almost 18 years of experience observing literally thousands and thousands of lessons in schools, seeing what works and what doesn't, supporting schools with SEMH and behaviour. First, seating position matters. When your room is empty, check where the kids sit. If anyone has to sort of turn around to see the board or where you present from, that's a problem. It creates friction between them and their work, leading to irritation, distraction, or disengagement. Instead, rearrange tables so every child can follow your input with just a turn of the head. It's a small change with a big impact, making focus effortless throughout the day. I'll share strategy 2 in a moment, but if you want more on how classroom layout affects behaviour, check out our video, How to Set Out Your Classroom for Behaviour Success. It's inside the Strategy Hub, where we go into tons more detail and strategies, not just about this, but all elements of SEMH and Classroom Manager. The link to join's in the comments, but just a heads up, we're only open to new members a couple of times a year. Anyway, moving on to strategy 2, space to move. Look at your table layout. Can you and your pupils move freely? If gangways are too tight or blocked, you've got a serious problem. If you can't walk to the back of the room, the students sitting there on the tables feel unmonitored, which invites off-task behaviour, chatting, silly stuff, and we all know how low-level behaviour grows quickly and spreads across the room. Worse, if you then need to intervene, you're forced to raise your voice, turning a minor refocus into a public showdown. It's not just behaviour. Cramped layouts slow everything down. Kids struggle to get to their seats or fetch resources, draining pace faster from your lesson than the words wet playtime drain my will to live. So, 2 simple fixes there. Ensure every pupil has a line of sight to the board and make sure there are gangways giving you room to move. Small changes, but the impact is dramatic. I'm Simon Corrigan from Beacon School Support. If you found this useful, like, share, and thanks for watching.